Hi.
Welcome to Jovie's Homeland.
And welcome to Limburg. Hi, welcome to Jovie's Homeland, where Dan and I visit one Dutch province per month for 1 year. In this video, we will show you some highlights from Limburg Province. Limburg has a population of about 1.1 million people. It is the country's southernmost province. Unlike the rest of the Netherlands, which is flat and below sea level, Limburg is covered in rolling hills and is home to the highest point in the country. Limburg covers an area of about 2,210 kilometers. Much of its western border runs along the river Maas. And while Dutch is the official language, Limburg has its own dialect called Limburgish, spoken by about 1.6 million people. The provincial capital is Maastricht, which is also its largest city. Today, we are going to show you a bit of Carnaval, the Drielaandenpunt, the Netherlands American Cemetary, the highest point of the Netherlands, an outdoor adventure park with hill-related activities, Snowworld, as well as trying some vlaai. Stick around because in this video there's also a really fun giveaway, but you'll find out about that later. We came here for Carnaval and to film the Homeland series. So we were filming for the Carnaval video and then this video, so it's been really a wonderful experience. Limburg has been...
Yeah, it's great. And as you may saw on Dumpert or Instagram, it was a windy day. So we got out of the hotel and then we saw something happening.
Okay, they're moving.
I think someone called it. The security is there. So I think. Oh, the police is already here. Let's go park our car underground. Yeah. Safe from the wind.
Oh my god. Did we just saw just toilets, right?
Yeah, and then, so we just celebrated Carnaval the first day. We went to the opening ceremony and, well...
More than that in the Carnaval
separate video. Linked here if it's already up, and if not, you'll see it. The next video that you see will be Carnaval. So yesterday we did our first little Limburg province tour, and we went to the Drielaandenpunt.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the Drielaandenpunt.
Hi, welcome to Germany.
Yes, normally we film in the Netherlands, but today we are meeting you from Germany, and...
Hi, welcome to Belgium.
Welcome to Belgium. Now we go to...
Hi, welcome in the Netherlands.
We are now finally in the Netherlands after our long tour around 3 European countries, because only in Europe can you be in 3 countries at the same time.
Yeah.
So in our visit of Limburg, one of the places that you too can visit is the Drielaandenpunt. And this point, well, as you can see, it is... Dan is running in circles around the different countries. It's cool. Go ahead. So it's separated here on the ground by the different countries. You can exactly see where you are. And the flags represent, of course, where we are. One of the fun things about driving here was we had to go up and down a lot of hills. It was quite a hilly thing, ride, and that's not something that we do every day in the Netherlands. So it was a really...
It's really rare that we have hills there.
We were really feeling like we were not in the Netherlands anymore.
Yeah.
And now it's starting to rain. Dan, is there anything you want to... This feels like Netherlands. The weather is the same. Dan, is there anything else that you want to mention here?
No.
There is also a restaurant and you can climb up and it has a glass floor so you can see down. It looks really interesting.
Yep. Hi, welcome back. We're now at another special point. It's like a whole collection of special points here because this is the highest point of the Netherlands. How high are we?
We are 322.5 meters above sea level here.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like crazy maybe,
No.
but in the Netherlands, like most of our country, is below sea level. So This feels really safe.
If the camera pans just behind me, or if Dan and I separate, you will be able to see the Drielaandenpunt. It is not very far from where we were, just steps away. So the highest point in the Netherlands is actually very, very near the border with Germany and Belgium. Oh, and then we did a photo shoot in a very cool location.
Yeah, we had the highest point of the Netherlands, but then you also had the tower, which was even higher.
Yeah, with a glass floor.
Yeah. Where are we going?
We're going to the glass floor to overlook Netherlands, Germany, and Belgium, and Miles.
Oh my god. Look, we were up there and it was freaking scary.
What were we shooting there?
Oh, glad you asked. I'm really proud of this because I designed some merchandise for the Jovies Homeland series.
Wait,
Yeah, turn around, turn around.
am I in the shot?
Yes, it's in the shot. This is our Jovies Homeland logo, but now it's on a hoodie and you can buy it right now.
Yes.
So if you're interested in this hoodie, you can choose yourself. I have the premium one, you have the normal one.
I have the standard one.
Yeah.
It also feels very nice. It's got a nice fleece, warm here on the inside.
Yeah.
Nice sleeves. The difference here, we have different.
Yeah, the cords.
The cords are a bit different.
Tiny quality things, but.
Oh, yours is softer.
Yeah, you feel.
Yeah, you can
the
feel
difference.
it. It's softer. But this is also soft. Don't get me wrong. It's not like sandpaper. It's a very soft hoodie, but this is like buttery. Yeah. It's very soft.
Yeah, we hope you like it. And if you like it, shall we start with a discount?
Of course.
We start with a discount.
We start with a discount.
Let's do 15%. I think that we can do that. So there's a discount code here. If you're interested in these hoodies, I will show you some pictures now, and there are some pictures on the website and on our social media. So if you're interested, get your hoodie.
Then the next thing that we did is we also visited the Netherlands American Cemetary, which is in Limburg.
And it's really beautiful.
It was really, really a beautiful place. We did not talk to you guys there because we really wanted to be respectful. So you can enjoy the scenes now with a voiceover that we filmed much later about some of the history. The Netherlands American Cemetery and Memorial is a Second World War military grave cemetery located in the village of Margraten, 10 kilometers east of Maastricht. The cemetery was dedicated in 1960 and contains 8,301 headstones, a memorial tower, statue of the mourning woman, court of honor and reflecting pool, where you can also find the names of 1,722 persons missing in action. In 2005, then President George W. Bush became the first American president to visit the cemetery. Then we edited in a restaurant.
Yeah, we edited in a luxurious French restaurant.
That's the life. You have to post a video. 2 days after you make it, you gotta edit it.
Yeah, and then it was Carnaval time again. So this is a little segment for the Dutch people. Je hoort als het goed is dat ik Nederlands praat en mij kan je als het goed is goed verstaan. Maar hier spreken ze Limburgs. En Maastrichts.
Ik ben geboren in mijn stad Maastricht, dus ik spreek ook de taal van Maastricht. Dit is een lekker jong, weet ze dat wel?
Yeah, and then today, it's our last day. We're heading home tonight, but we have a few things that we're gonna do, which is really exciting. We're gonna spend most of the day again outside today, and I love that. Actually, the sky is blue. It looks really nice. We are going to Agogo Valkenburg, and that is like an outdoor adventure theme park, and they were very kind to give us free tickets to go on the toboggan. Yeah, toboggan, right? Is that what it's called? You say it in Dutch, please.
Een rodelbaan.
Rodelbaan. So we are going on the rodelbaan. We are going on the chairlift, and we are going to see the tower.
So where are we?
We're in Valkenburg in the Agogo Adventure Park, and we are on the chairlift. It looks like we're skiing, but there is no snow.
No.
I do wish there was some snow.
Yeah.
I miss the snow.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Do we need
snow
some
often.
snow?
We need some snow.
Yeah.
Hi!
How are you feeling in your hoodie?
I'm feeling very cozy in my hoodie. I like this hood. It's very convenient when it gets a bit chilly.
Yeah. Wow, what an amazing hoodie.
It goes with? Okay.
Keep it on. All weight more weight up.
Oh! Then I'm gonna be the best.
Oh shit. No. Slow down. Oh my god. You see that?
And walk up and down. Toward.
You know, it's gonna be oh, there's no.
No, there's not more. Oh my god.
Because I'm out of shape. It's because I have, a very
Yes,
heavy backpack.
of course. Almost.
No.
No, this is it, right?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was really fun.
This
Yeah.
was a good place to visit.
Yeah.
And I see lots of people with also little kids. I mean, not babies, but definitely like 4 or 5 years old.
The little kids climbing the tower.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
Respect.
Totally. How many stairs were in the tower?
159 stairs.
159 million stairs.
That's what it felt like. Yeah, it was a high tower. But I think like in the summer you can tokkelen, like with the what you can slide down the tower, right?
Yeah, we'll find the word in English for that,
Yeah.
because now I can't think of it.
So because in the Netherlands we don't have mountains, we thought of some wonderful solutions to get snow. Do you want some snow?
I would love to see some snow.
And now we're in the snow.
Are we still in Limburg?
Yes, we are in Limburg.
What? There's snow in Limburg?
Yeah, we are inside of Snowworld, and it's like indoors, and they just replicated a mountain where you can go skiing.
This is incredible, and this snow is actually very...
No.
Don't be scared, Dad.
Yeah, it's
Very light and
fluffy. I knew it. I knew it.
You knew it. Well, it's actually really beautiful. So you guys, Snowworld has even offered to give 4-hour ski pass for 4 people. We will give you some more details after. Stay tuned, but very nice. So if
Yeah.
you want to come skiing, we tell you more about that in a bit. So you guys, welcome back. We are sitting here with Lisbeth from the marketing department of Snowworld, and she's going to tell us a little bit about this place.
Yeah. Well, happy to have you here. And you came to the place where we think is the most adventurous place in Holland, because we combine indoor snow adventure with outdoor climbing adventure.
Yeah.
So there's this climbing adventure on height. It's everything is safe, but you have to overcome your fear of jumping, helping each other, climbing, using the zip lines to head down again in full speed. So that's very cool outdoor.
Yeah.
And you just felt how cold it was indoor.
Yeah.
Was it cold?
It was cold, but you know what I actually really loved is that the snow was so soft and fluffy.
Yeah.
It's like my favorite snow to ski on.
Yeah.
Not when it's all hard and compacted.
No. Or sandy, that's not good as well.
Yeah,
No.
it was just like the gliding snow,
Yeah.
like the best snow.
Yeah,
So it was
yeah.
great. I told you guys earlier that we were giving away, that we had a giveaway here, and what it is it is 4 times a 4-hour ski pass.
Yeah.
What would you like to have them do to win this? Can you tell us?
Yeah. Well, we're trying to have more Instagram followers. So me and my team are working on that really hard. So you can help us with that. To follow our Insta page. It's Snowworld_NL. And if you post that you followed us in the video below, then you will select a group of winners, a family of winners, or friends of winners.
Yeah. So you guys go follow them on Instagram. We will leave their Instagram below. Go follow them. Come back to the page. Let us know that you did it, and I will choose a random winner. We will leave more details in the description box below. So if you want to come skiing here, summer, winter, spring, or fall, you can do it.
Yeah.
So, we're back in South Holland. Same parking spot as last month.
Yep.
So yeah,
How was it for you to visit Limburg?
So much fun. It was amazing.
We experienced so many different things and so many different emotions. It was, Carnaval, snow, rodeling, height, yeah. We wore our hoodies for the first time. We met so many nice people.
Yeah.
We ate vlaai. So I want to know, what is the difference between regular vlaai, that you can get in the Randstad, and the Limburgs vlaai?
That is Limburgs vlaai.
They bring it from Limburg, or they
It's like
use
the
Limburgs
Limburgs recipe, I think so.
So I have the
Vlaai is Limburgs,
always.
I think so.
Okay. So we are then having the original now, and this is apricot and white chocolate, abricots and witte chocolade. And what do you have? Ganache met avocado.
Advocaat, yeah. It's a liqueur, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to taste it.
Yeah. Well, I want to.
It's good?
So good.
That's the ganache.
Thoughts? Yum or so-so?
I don't want to go home.
I don't want to go home either.
But it was really fun.
It was.
Yeah.
Where are we going next month, Dan?
We're going to Groningen.
We are going to Groningen. So if you're from Groningen, you can email us if you want to meet up with us, if you want to suggest something that we can do.
Hold the email address.
Yeah. Email us, let us know, reach out. And yeah, if you contact us, we'll let you know when we're planning to be there. And if you want to show us around, if you want to be in the video, whatever, let us know.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have you been to Limburg? Did we miss something? What do we need to do next time we visit?
And we will see you in the next one.
We will see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.